Hi, Miss Jennifer. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Jennifer Bondo. I'm 39 years old. I live in Mariveles, Bataan. I'm a single mom.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have kids?
I have 4 kids.
Okay. Can you indicate the age of your children and their gender, ma'am?
My firstborn is 20 years old, female. My secondborn is 18 years old, female. My thirdborn is 12 years old, female. My fourthborn is 7 years old, boy.
Okay, ma'am. How many siblings do you have?
4.
Okay, and you were the eldest or youngest, ma'am?
I'm the youngest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
My educational background is high school graduate.
Okay, can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
I did not finish my college because I need to help my parents to provide our daily needs.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
No.
How about local, ma'am?
I have a local experience as a manufacturing corporation. I'm a machine operator.
Okay, for how many years, ma'am?
2 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a machine operator, ma'am?
I inspect if have a dent or scratch.
Okay, how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm a good mom and hardworking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
I had a bladder stone surgery in 2010.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work abroad because I want to secure my kids' future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea, ma'am. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can talk to them in a good way, in a calm voice.
Okay, your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I can promise I can do my job. I can do my job in a good worker and honest.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.